Welcome everybody. Today we're going to check out Zoom as a participant. Right now I'm logged into a meeting and you can see several participants here. This is my screen here. I don't have my camera working, I just have a picture at this time. And you can see other participants in the window. Let's look at some of the controls in Zoom first. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see two important controls. You can unmute and mute yourself so you can speak and participate through your voice in the meeting. The next tool is the camera tool. This allows you to start your video. I'm going to start my video for a moment. And I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Let's look at some of the other tools next to those important tools. The next tool I encourage you to look at is the participant tool. Participants, when you click on it, gives you this box on the right side. So I had it open, and now when I click it again, I close it. So it's good to have that open because you'll notice there are a lot of really helpful tools at the bottom. First, you can raise your hand. You can select yes or no if the professor asks you a question. You can ask the professor to go faster or slower if you need to by clicking these buttons. Under More, you have more options. For example, you can select thumbs up or thumbs down if you like or don't like something. You can clap for your classmates. If you need a break, select the coffee cup, and that will let everyone know that you need a break. You can also select the away option so people will know you're not at the meeting for a moment. You stepped away. Another important tool you'll look for down at the bottom is the chat tool. So in order to chat with the professor, that means to type a message to the professor, you can do that by clicking chat and at the bottom typing your message here. Notice that I have the option to type to everyone. That means everyone will receive this message. And if you click on the names individually, then you can send a message directly to that one person. You also have the ability to share your screen. When you share your screen, that means everyone can see you, see what you're seeing, and sometimes your professor will ask you to do that. If you do that, if you do share your screen, then just remember when you're finished, you will have the ability to stop sharing. And usually that option comes at the top of the screen. You'll see a red button that says stop sharing. Because this is an actual live meeting, I'm not going to share my screen yet, but you have that ability to do so. All right, so this is a quick review of Zoom tools. Thank you very much, and good luck this semester.